Welcome back to another episode. Today we're out here with Hunter Cosnahan. We're out here at a pond that he mows grass for, so we got permission to come over here and fish here. Came out here real early so we can throw some top waters. Hunter's never caught a fish on top water, so he's gonna be wearing a GoPro, so you might see some footage from him in the video. So stay tuned, it should be a good morning. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apologize. I have a chip on my lens. It's not water. Sorry if it's crusty footage, but that's how it is. Oh my gosh, that could not have been more perfect where that one blew up a while ago. That was a weak hook set, but he got it. Heck yeah. Dude, this fish is hot. Boom. First fish of the morning, first topwater fish. Love it. Of the morning. I really feel like we're like passing up fish because I just don't think they're munching the frog that well.
I don't think they're biting me in top water that good.
Oh, got some dirt in my reel. There it goes. Oh, I got one. I saw him come up. He was following it. Ooh, look at that, dude. He just slurped it, and look at how far down it went down his throat. And I just said, I don't think they're much in top water. That's like back in his gills. Like, he might not even live. Oh, no, it's in the roof of his mouth. The frog just turned.
Oh.
Get him! Doubled up! Heck yeah. Boom shakalaka. Another one. I'm ready for some big ones though. Sorry. I saw him come up and chase it. Like he was like, what?
It's not even, it's just in his tongue. That's why.
Oh. That's a little bit better one. Come here. He inhaled that thing, dude. Boom.
That's a solid 3.5 pounds.
That is a solid, I wouldn't say 3.5.
I don't know.
Say like almost 3. Quit shaking. 2.8. Yeah. And it does by ounces, so it's almost 3 pounds. 2.8. Look at that. In his mouth. Boom. Chill out, bro. There you go. Not a bad fish. Almost 3 pounder. That felt good. What if we doubled up right now? Oh, it's my turn. Get him in here. That's a decent one too. Don't reel it too much more. Oh, dude, he's barely hooked. Get him in. Get him in. Yes, dude. That's a nice one. That one's 3 pounds. Well, yeah, he probably is. We'll weigh. We'll weigh him. 2.7.
2.7.
1 ounce smaller than mine. He's long though, but he is skinny. You want to release him?
Yeah. Yeah, you can release him.
Okay.
He blew up on that one.
He wanted to give me something to remember him by all this freaking water.
He blew up on that one.
I know, I seen it. If one hits it in there, I feel like it's gonna be a mega dink is what I was gonna say. But that ain't a, oh, other side. No, he's not a dink, but.
He's pounding.
Yep, he's probably maybe 2.
Quarter, 3/4.
They're inhaling the frog though. Ow, he's barely hooked in the back though. Nice.
Pound and 3/4. That was that? Well, I thought it was a stick the whole time. That is a nice. That's probably 3 pounds.
He was in that tree, dude.
I thought you was a stick because it wasn't moving.
You good? That's a white bass. Nice.
I thought it was a stick because I mean he was stuck.
He was stuck. I thought it was a pig.
I did too. When it started moving, I was like, bro, he gets caught.
Oh, I got one. I don't know. Ain't a bad one.
Mine's good.
How big?
4 pounds.
Well, I kind of deal with mine first.
Yeah. Maybe.
I got a wacky rig. I don't want to. Come here. Come here. Yes. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Doubled up, baby.
Yeah. Get on good ones too.
Yeah. Heck yeah, hold that one up. Congratulations to Hunter for the tiniest fish in the world. Let me see it.
That is a mega dink.
Ow. Dude. Yeah. Maybe.
It taught me a lesson.
Well, the fishing has slowed down tremendously. It has gotten really hot, and the last fish we caught was like a quarter of a pound.
Like a Big Mac.
We have not caught a good fish in like 30, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back to where we started this morning, try there for a minute, then we're gonna call it a good day. So. Oh!
Oh!
Get him. Whoa, dude, that's a stud.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm gonna break your rod. That's what I'm talking about. Right there, as we were just talking. Dude, you're gonna break your rod.
No. He's gonna break my rod.
Put him on the weigher.
He's might be 3 1/4.
He's a chunky fish, though. He is so chunky. Hold him right there.
Got him?
I don't think I do. Yeah. 2.5.
2.5.
2.5. Wow, we just thought he was big because we hadn't caught one big one in a while.
Well, not a fat one either. This one's
Yeah.
actually kind of fat. All the other ones been skinny, but they've been long.
True that.
They'd have been fat, they probably would have been
All
close
right,
to 4.5.
let him go. Nice. Well, we might be staying a little bit longer then.
Whoa. Look where I'm at.
There he is. There he is.
Keep going.
Oh. I just had my drag loose. That's the first one on the spinnerbait today.
Yeah.
He broke my line, dude. Where's my spinnerbait?
Under the water.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I watched it.
Nice. You're a little turd, but you're a fatty. Thank you for letting me catch you.
Put them in shallow water so we can watch them move.
Later, dude. What happened? I think my...
I just lost one up in here.
Or I bet you my wire broke. Cause it was like... Cause you know, I've used that thing like a half a year. I've been trying to see how many fish I could catch with that thing. I bet the wire broke. Cause my knot's still good. My knot's on my line still.
About ready to eat it.
Yeah, you may go ahead and paddle that way.
Yeah. It's hot.
All right, let me just work this in. Well, that's the end of it. How would you rate today? Scale of 1 to 10.
7.
7.
Yeah.
I'm sticking 6.5. It was a good topwater morning.
Yeah.
They were biting pretty good, but then after that topwater bite, it was a grind, and it is like 4,000 degrees out here. So we're gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. We'll catch you next time in another episode of PB Outdoors.